Alright guys, so this car looks like a pure disaster. So don't mind the thrashed ass car and the bird's nest, but I'm installing this basic Viper alarm and I just want to show people how to actually set up an alarm in these cars. This goes for any 88 to 2000 Civic or Integra, let's say from the 86 to 01, I'll say, using a test light. And so every single aftermarket alarm is the same. You have a power, ground, which powers the actual alarm. Then you have a yellow wire, which is the ignition. And then you have the white wire, which is your flashing lights. And then you have a green wire, which is your door switches or whatever auxiliary switches you want for when somebody pops open the hood, it'll sound the alarm. When you pop open this right here, it'll sound the alarm. Or yeah, all that stuff. So basically how you use this is you go underneath and you're gonna see, okay, so you're gonna see these two right here, 1 and 2, and these are called optional like ports and or outputs. And you have this one, and this one. So basically this right here is grounded to the chassis. This one is right there. When I go on the first one, it lights up. So I already know that I have 12 volts right there at full time right there. So that's where my red wire is gonna go. Next one, it's gonna be the yellow wire, which is gonna be ignition, and you need that one for your alarm. So you go right here, and then I'm gonna try and make it stuck right there. And when I go for the ignition, it lights up. And that's for your yellow wire. Next one, it's gonna be right up here, number 2. So there's the test light. It's gonna be dangling right there. And so whenever you go chirp the alarm and your lights flash, this is connected to that, and your brain is gonna give that 12 volts, which there you go. So I guess for any CRX people out there, this is for your flashers. This one right here is for your ignition, and that's for your 12 volts right there. So yeah, so there you go. Alright, so there's right there. I'm gonna arm it. And I go up to open the car. There you go. And the reason why the siren sounds so low is because I actually have it facing down right there. So yeah, so it's supposed to face up, not down, but just don't want it too loud. Oh, and by the way guys, the subscriber sent me some stickers. Dumped Gang on Instagram. You could follow them at Dumped Gang. Link will be in the description for cool ass photos. Seen that one? That one's dumped right there. And there's that one right there, which is gonna go right here. Oh yeah, that'll be a trip though. But there you go. Dumped Gang. So he sent me quite a few, so pretty cool. They seem like pretty good quality stuff though. I gotta figure out where to put these at.